Okay, so those are in the cup. Applying water. I gotta get some more water though, because this ain't gonna be enough for all the cups that I gotta do, but it's enough for each one. I don't want to get that good. If we know some time with them, at least until tomorrow when the light comes on. Shouts out to keeping them lights popping. Yeah, you know, we did our videos and now we in the green room letting y'all see them plants do their job, right? Right. That's why I said, hell, you actually got to watch the content to see the content. Hell, you might be distracted by the videos and be like, oh, I'm not watching popcorn. He over here reviewing and stealing other people's content. You damn right I'm reviewing and stealing other people's content. Hell, then I'm going to show you what I got going on in the green room. Then you'll be like, damn, he doing all that. That boy out here working. Shout out to him for putting in the work, though, because he trying to be who he want to be. Trying to be who you want to be. I see, that's why I check your references, because I make sure if you're a content creator, you can come in here and put in that work. You dig? Dropping them links. I see you out here networking, professionals. You dig? That's why you come in and get a wrench, because then on the replay game, they can check you out. Let's see, this is DG. Okay, so now today we're doing DG, and we'll probably drop 4 more of these in here. Shouts out to Bear Miller. Like I said, I got enough of the genetics, and I ain't worried about not being able to run if I pop a lot. Right? Right. We're going to pop 4 of those. Because, you know, legally I can have a higher number in veg. It depends on how many flowers. But I got a high playing count on that also because I have stacked my authorizations as legally advised. Okay, Mr. Harper, this is what we're gonna need you to do. Ready? Yeah, you got that coming. I'm gonna make them moves. Let's see. I'm gonna need some water here in a minute because this is gonna probably take the rest of it. But y'all already know what to do. Y'all gonna be sitting here with the ladies in the green room. Hopefully you're enjoying the view. Like, oh, that's actually what he's got growing. Yeah, you just saw I had one in the flower intent. And then I got a couple in here to show you. And then y'all know what else we had growing. We got the dragon fruit. We got some strawberries. We got money tree. Shouts out to the money tree. It's looking real good right now too. Yeah, it's actually looking better than it did last week. Shouts out to it. It's feeling itself. I see you. And yeah, I know these strawberries like water on them daily, so I'm about ready to water them too. So yeah, I'll definitely have to grab some more water. Rat tat tat tat.